Welcome everyone. Today we learn how to implement the builder pattern in .NET. So go to Visual Studio and create a new console application. Define the name, select the .NET version and create a project. The builder pattern is one of the creation organophobe patterns. It aims to separate the construction of a complex object from its representation. What it means? Imagine we want to build a vacation plan with various options in the itinerary. The vacation plan itself is the complex object. The paths to include in the vacation plan are flight, hotel, car, or package. By following the intent of the builder pattern, we'll separate the construction of the vacation plan from its representation, which is based on the mentioned predefined steps. I'll explain the reasons for this approach gradually. Let's implement the builder pattern. So the first element is the product, which is the complex object under construction. So create a new class, define the name of this product, which is vacation plan. Let's add several properties to get the details about this vacation plan. The first one will be the flight, hotel, car, and finally we'll add a new list to get the packages details. Let's add a new construction to define the title of this vacation plan. So we'll receive the title by a construction and we'll set a new property called title based on the value provided by a parameter. And finally, create a method called plan details to return the information about the vacation plan. So let's create a new string builder, add the reference and set the title for this class. So let's define plan details for, and by using interpolation, we'll pass the title value. Let's append a new line to show the details about the flight. Similarly for the hotel, card, and packages. So let's join the packages with comma and transform this string builder to string. The product often involves multiple paths to be built. So consider this pattern when creating complex objects with several paths or components. The second element of the pattern is the builder, that defines an interface or abstract class that outlines common construction steps for any concrete builder. So create a new class called builder. Let's mark this builder as an abstract class. Let's define the construction steps. The first step is to book a flight. So define an abstract method that will take the flight details. The second step is to book a hotel. The next element is to rent a car. And finally, we'll add a new package. Let's rename this builder as vacation plan builder, and we'll create a new construction to pass the title of the particular vacation plan. So we'll create a new vacation plan to access the product, and in the constructor we'll initialize this vacation plan by passing the title. The third element of the builder pattern is the concrete builder, which assembles the product by implementing the builder element. So create a new class called concrete builder. Rename this builder as custom vacation plan builder, and by a primary constructor we'll receive the title and we'll implement the builder element, which is the vacation plan builder. We pass the title and let's implement the steps. So implement each abstract method. So add the package to the vacation plan. So access the vacation plan and add the package. Add the flight information, set the hotel, and finally implement or define the card for the vacation plan. It's possible to apply the same construction process in a builder across multiple representations or concrete builders. For example, we can define the steps for a premium vacation plan in a new class. So consider the builder pattern when developing different representations of an object based on a common builder. The next element of the builder pattern is the director. It manages the steps needed to construct a product. The director hides the details of product construction from the client code. So create a new class called director. We'll rename this class as a travel agency. We want to create a full vacation plan. So add a new method and we'll receive two parameters. The first one is the vacation plan builder, which is the abstract class. And the second element will be a new DTO to get the details about the vacation plan. So let's define a new class called vacation plan DTO. So we'll get the flight information, hotel, car, and the packages. And this will be the second argument for the full vacation plan. And now let's construct this full vacation plan by calling the steps needed. So call builder.book flight based on the flight string. Similarly, we'll book a hotel, we'll pass the information. The next step is to rent a car. And finally, we'll add the packages to the full vacation plan. So access the packages from the DTO with a for each statement. We'll iterate over each package and we'll call builder.addPackage. The director offers better control over the construction process, making it reusable across multiple paths. The last element of the builder pattern is the client, which associates the concrete builder with the director. So we'll place the client code in the program.cs file. Go to this file. So create a new concrete builder. Reference the custom vacation plan builder. And we need to define the title. So it will be a full vacation plan. Create the plan details DTO to set the vacation plan details. Let's put any values and finally add the packages and create the second element, which is the director. So we'll create a new instance of the travel agency and we'll associate the full vacation plan based on the concrete builder and we'll pass the plan details. So via console, we'll print the plan details on this concrete builder. The client doesn't know how the product is constructed. Then it follows the dependency inversion principle, which states that clients should depend on abstractions rather than implementations. So the builder pattern intent is rebuilt by isolating code for construction and representation. We can call the building steps to create a vacation plan without needing a director class directly from this client code. So add a separator, set the concrete builder with a new instance of the custom vacation plan builder. Let's define the title as custom vacation plan. And from this concrete builder, we'll add the steps. The first one will be to book a flight. We'll pass the information. Then we'll book a hotel. And finally, add a package to the custom vacation plan and print via console the vacation plan details. Finally, add a console.read key to prevent closing the window. Go to the plan details method and add a breakline here. Go back, run the application. We have an error because we need to initialize the packages list. So stop the application and go to the packages. I forgot to initialize this list. Run the application again. And we have the plain details for a full vacation plan by using the director class, which represents a travel agency. So we define all the vacation plan details with the flight, hotel, car, and packages. And we have the plan details for the custom vacation plan without needing a director class. From the client code, we call the required steps. In this case, we'll just simply book flight, hotel. We don't rent a car, and we'll add a new package. So close the application. The second option, without needing a director class, is a flexible way to add parts to the construction process step by step. It allows us to build objects with only the steps that we need. Finally, we can change the stats from the builder using the Fluent Builder pattern, which is a little variation from this pattern. So go to the Builder Abstract class and replace the void in each abstract member by returning the same type. Do the same for all abstract methods. Go to the concrete builder and change the signature of each abstract method. For each step, we'll return the same object. Do the same for all method implementations. Now go back to the program.cs file and change the stats for this custom vacation plan builder. So the first step is to book flight, then we'll change the book hotel, and finally we'll add a new package. So we're applying the Fluent Builder pattern. Now run the console application. We have an error. Go to the director. So let's just add a land expression and add the package from the vacation plan details. So it fits. Now run again the console application. As you will see, by applying the Fluent Builder pattern, we have the same behavior, but now we're chaining the steps in the program.cs file. So in this demo, we've learned how to implement the Builder pattern in .NET.